Right, so just a quick video, and as long as I remember, I might do a video like this every Saturday or Sunday if I remember to do them. So for UK legal self-defense weapons, and when I say UK legal I mean absolutely 100% legal. But as most people know, there is a bit of a weird thing about it, that there is technically nothing you can carry legally for self-defense. So if you carry a stick for throwing for your dog, say, that's fine, but if you carry this stick for the sole purpose of self-defense, you're then carrying a offensive weapon, if you see what I mean. So 4 things which are pretty much 100% legal. No one could ever stop you from having them, as long as you didn't say you was carrying them for self-defense, then you'll be fine. So one of them would be a metal bottle. No one's going to stop you from having a drink or anything. You can carry that metal bottle around, you know, obviously better if it's got liquid in it. And there's something what you could use in that kind of fashion, if you know what I mean. So the second one, you could carry some deodorant spray, because obviously that could go into someone's face, or you could hold it like this and strike, you know, an attacker. That's a pretty good one. Who's going to stop you having, you know, deodorant to stop your armpits smelling? Another one is, if you've been shopping, a small can like this is spaghetti hoops. Sweet corn's another good small one. If you carry that in your carrier bag, put that over your wrist like a lanyard, and if it comes to it, you've then got something to strike with like that, and that would do a lot. And you've definitely got long reach as well. And I don't think you're going to split that can in a hurry, and even if you drop it, you still got it. So that's somewhat good. Can in a bag. And the last one, what no one should be able to ever stop you having, is steel toe cap boots. Now obviously you've got to have the boots on your feet, you know, you can't walk around with that in your hand. If you had these on your feet all the time and someone attacked you and you kicked them with these, kicked them in their shins or anywhere, you know, depends how high you can kick. Some people can't kick higher than shins, or, you know, in a person's groin, even better. If you could kick them with steel toe cap boots, that'll do a lot of damage. You can hear how hard that is. Like I said, steel toe cap with steel in there. Right, so that is 4 100% legal self-defense weapons you should be able to get away with in the UK. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.